Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and today I will brief you all the things regarding how you can add a sheet, how you can rename, delete, hide, copy, move, and how you can change the tab color. So let me open new sheet, Excel. Okay. If you want to add a new sheet, you just need to click on that plus sign, and the new sheet will be open. Okay. So next one is how to rename. You just need to double click on it, okay, and backspace it after define your name. So this is the way by which you can rename the. How to delete the sheet? You just need to click on that sheet, right click, and here is the option of delete. Okay, and the next one is how to hide the sheet. So you just need to right click by your mouse, and here is the hide, and after, if you want to unhide the sheet, you just need to right click and unhide, and it will pop up a window where it will show you all the sheet which are unhide whose are hide, and you can select your sheet and you can unhide that sheet. Okay, and the next one is how to copy the sheet. You just need to right click, and from here will the option of move or copy. Okay, if you want to create a copy, you just need to click on create a copy and make it okay, and the copy will be there. How to move the sheet? Right click on it, move, and you just need to move to end. When I will make it okay, the sheet will be here. Okay, how to change the tab color? Right click, and here will be the option of tab color. Okay, and here you can choose the color as per your liking, and I select the brown color. So these are the basic things regarding the Excel, that how you can add the sheet, how you can rename the sheet, how you can delete the sheet, hide sheet, unhide sheet, copy, and how you can move the sheet, and how you can change the tab color. So these are the basic skills which are very mandatory and which are very necessary to know. And the next thing is you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you also have to like my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/my-etutorial, and I always be looking for your feedback. And if there is any query, any question, any sort of query from you, kindly give me your feedback, because this is also necessary for my self evaluation. So this is all for this tutorial, and thank you so much for your time. Thank you.